Hello everyone. Let's start with the accounting equation today. Here is the accounting equation. Assets is equals to liabilities plus capital. All the assets of the firm is equal to the amount with which the business started and the outsiders capital, which is brought in the form of loan or liability. So assets is equals to liabilities plus capital. Here is a question given accounting equation for the following transactions. This question belongs to chapter 2 of class 11, practical problems, question number 3. So let's start with this. We will prepare the table in this way. This is the question, so our solution will be in this form: serial number, transactions, asset equals to liabilities plus capital. So let's start with the question. The first is Mr. Vaibhav started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Write the transaction first. The first one is Mr. Vaibhav started business. So Mr. Vaibhav started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. So here is a transaction. While going for accounting equation, we need to keep two things in the mind, that every transaction will have dual effect, and the expenses will be deducted out of capital and income will be added to the capital. Here in this transaction, the business is started with cash rupees 1 lakh. This cash is nothing but asset. So in the asset column, 1 lakh, the amount with which the business started is nothing but capital. So capital 1 lakh. In this transaction, liability is 0 equal to and this plus. Now take the total of it. Drawing a line here, the nothing to add and deduct, so it will be 1 lakh. 1 lakh will be equal to 0 plus 1 lakh. The equation is what? Equation's right hand side should be equal to the equation's left hand side. So 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Let's go with the second one. Purchase goods on credit from Rita stores rupees 9,000. So I'll write the second equation, second transaction here. Purchased goods on credit from Rita stores rupees 9,000. Here the goods are purchased. It means goods will come in, or you can say assets will increase. 9,000 goods are coming in, so 9,000 assets are increased plus 9,000, and it is purchased on credit. Credit means loan, and loan is nothing but liability. So here the liability is increasing by 9,000. The capital in this transaction is 0. This equals to and plus will keep as it is. Now take the total. Drawing a line, I'll add this 9,000 to 1 lakh. It will be 1 lakh 9,000 will be equal to 0 plus 9,000, that is 9,000 plus 1 lakh plus 0 is 1 lakh. Let's go for the third transaction. It says purchase laptop for office use rupees 10,000. So write the transaction here. Purchase laptop for office use rupees 10,000. Here it is cash purchase. It means laptop is purchased giving the amount 10,000. So laptop is coming in, it increases the assets, and the amount 10,000 is going out, it decreases the assets. So two of the effects on in the assets column only. Laptop is purchased, laptop comes in, add this 10,000, and while we purchase we used to pay, so 10,000 cash is going out, so less 10,000. Liability is 0 and capital is 0 in this transaction. Keep this equal and plus as it is. Now take the total. Out of this 1,09,000, 10,000 will be added to this amount and 10,000 will be deducted out of it, so this same amount will remain 1,09,000. This 9,000 plus 0 is 9,000, plus 1 lakh plus 0 is 1 lakh. Now check the right hand side and left hand side of this equal. The right hand side is what? 1 lakh plus 9,000. The total is 1,09,000 and the left hand side is already 1,09,000. So it is equal. Now go for fourth one. Fourth transaction says sold goods to Reena on credit rupees 12,000. I'll write the transaction. Sold goods to Reena on credit rupees 12,000. Here the goods are sold to Reena on credit. Whenever there is a word of credit, it means it increases the liability. But the sold part is not all liability. Therefore, the goods are sold. It means goods are going out and the cash will come in. So it affects on assets. So goods are coming in, goods are going out. Sold means going out, so less 12,000 goods and the cash will come in, so add 12,000. Liability will be 0. It is sold, it is on credit but it is sold, so when the goods are sold it is not our liability, so liability will be 0, capital will also be 0. Take the totals. Here 1,09,000 minus 12,000 plus 12,000, it will be 1,09,000 only, will be equal to 9,000 plus 0 is 9,000 plus 1 lakh plus 0 is 1 lakh. Go for the fifth transaction now. The fifth transaction, what? Received interest rupees 2,500. Write it down here. Received interest rupees 2,500. Interest is received, it means cash comes in, so asset is increased. Apart from it, as I told you, if something is received, it is added to the capital. So 2,500 will be added to the capital. Liability is 0 in this transaction. Keep this equal and plus as it is. Now take the total. 2,500 is added to 1,09,000. It will be 1,11,500 will be equal to 9,000 plus 0 is 9,000 plus this 1 lakh plus 2,500 will be 1,02,500. So now check the total. Check the right hand side and left hand side of this equal. This is 1,11,500. Here two numbers are added, it will give you 1,11,500 only. Let's go for the sixth one. Sixth transaction is paid telephone bill rupees 1,300. So paid telephone bill rupees 1,300. It is paid, it means the cash is going out. The cash is going out, it will be paid from asset only. So 1,300 will be deducted here. It will reduce your capital too. So 1,300 will be deducted from the capital. Liability will be 0 in this equation. Equal to and plus will be as it is. Now take the total after drawing the line. This 1,300 rupees is deducted from 1,11,500. It will give you 1,10,200 amount will be equal to 9,000 plus 0 is 9,000 only. And here 1300 will be deducted from 1,02,500. The answer will be 1,01,200. Here, this is our final equation, so it will be named as total. Total equation will be assets will be equal to liabilities plus capital. You will check again. So 9,000 plus 1,02,00,200 will be equal to 1,10,200 only. So that's it about this question's solution. I hope you have understood this. We'll do further solutions in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.